Hi, King family.
Can't
Don't
be
forget to
this
like,
dirty.
comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications, and hit that little bell. Today, we're just outside waiting for barbecuing, because we're barbecuing today. Y'all need to see the other videos. Go check them out. If y'all not looking at our videos, what y'all doing?
What y'all doing?
Yeah.
Y'all gotta come on, go look at the videos. They ain't too much, but they something. Go look at them. Go get our views up.
Last time we tried to make a whole video for like our morning routine, but it really didn't post. I would think it was too long. So like we need to do like parts.
Yeah, and I might not post them the same day. Excuse me, get your feet all out the camera.
Man, you feel sick.
But I will post them that day or the next day.
Mom, the internet.
So, how is you guys Sunday going?
We got school tomorrow.
Yeah,
we
you
got school.
Yes, you got school.
I think this time I want my hair for school tomorrow. I want my hair
I think
fried
this
now.
time we're going to school.
And it's too hot to have her hair flat now. So, I'm about to put some braids in it. That's what I'm about to do.
Just leave her up there.
So, I won't have to deal with it.
Girl, get your big face off the camera.
I'm so hot.
We barbecue. It's so hot, we don't want to cook. We got to barbecue.
Yeah, when this truck like smell like gas, and it's hot.
I could jump out Mama's window.
Alright, do it. Alright, guys, so we're gonna see where all the food done, and we're gonna be eating.
It's just sneezing.
She always got to follow me. You better not jump out of there, girl.
She ain't gonna jump on. She's gonna be too scared.
She better not jump.
Alright, so we're gonna see when we eat the food. But kind of like, Mom, you want me to show the food?
Yeah, we got ribs, we got chicken, we having beans, we having corn, we got hamburgers. Yeah.
Corn doesn't.
I thought it was corn for yesterday. Tomorrow.
Yeah, I got another thing for tomorrow.
Dang, it's too hot.
Sassy, you better not jump out of here, little girl. What are you doing?
I took off my shoes too.
What you doing, little girl?
I'm relaxing. I had that.
Okay, she thinks she trying to jump out the window.
I'm so hot. Turn on the light. You.
Stop.
That's not you.
So, yes,
This on
stay
my phone. I
tuned.
wish I had a phone. But I don't have a phone yet. I got
My mom's phone. It's my
Yeah,
dad's
she's
phone.
not gonna get no phone yet. So,
Mom, what kind of phone is this?
That's the iPhone 13. No, that's iPhone 12.
Mom, can I have an iPhone?
Sassy,
Will you grow up?
how could you scaring me, little girl? Big girl, sit down.
Thirsty.
Show Sassy.
But we having ribs, we having
Yeah, how you
chicken, we
feel?
having hamburgers, we having hot dogs, we having beans, we having corn.
Oh, that's a cute picture.
Yeah, I like it.
That's it.
Yeah, we're finna eat a whole meal tonight.
Ooh.
Not that whole meal, but yeah.
Busting it.
But we will come back with another.
Finna get a whole big
Banger.
plate.
We will come back when the food is done.
Bye, guys. Bye, King family.
Peace. Stay
Don't forget to like,
tuned.
comment, subscribe, hit that little bell, and turn on notifications.